Testing 1, 2, 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtarkani, and as usual, today we have technical session number 151. Our subject is salt barrier material in irrigation projects. So before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and video as well, and also in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So we will discuss the subject. This one. Let us go to the subject. So, salt barrier is a geocomposite designed material capillary as a drainage voids layer installed to protect important clean soil from the rise of saline groundwater through the capillary action. So, salt barrier prevents sweet soil zone damage of the soft landscaping areas crushed by the capillary rise of saline groundwater. The salt barrier is a geosynthesis material is developed specially to replace the traditional 300 crust stone granular layer, reducing the environmental impact by avoiding to use the primary resources and the associated transportation cost. So it has a proven track record. A number of high profile projects includes the especially in the Middle East and where other the projects are going on are the extensively in the water barrier applications. So the water barrier is a material is designed geosynthesis, as we said, specially for the drainage avoids layer installed to protect imported clean soil from the rise of the saline groundwater and through the capillary action. So high strength uh, material is the bonded geotextile and to prevent the avoid closing under the action of the soil presence. It is not exactly geotextile. There are so many types, but it's look like a geotextile as a very strong filter material and the controlling the moisture also. And the application is very easy to protect the vegetation and the salt barriers. Also, the chemical impurities below the ground level and also providing the capillary break over the contamination of the groundwater frost barriers. So there is the benefit is easy installation, reduce the material movement on site, eliminate the required of the imports filter stones also. So high impact and the crest strength, high flow capacity and easy installation with the speedily installation and also provide a true capillary break against the rise of the saline water in desert also, its aids region, the groundwater is often saline and the water table can be relatively close to the surface. So in that case, the capillary rise above the water table brings the dissolved salts near the surface of the ground. So this results to resolve the problem of the vegetation and the foundation building structures. So landscaping within the moderate move development of the regions, particularly at the risk, most of the vegetation of slightly saline water and uh, from range from the 3 to 6 gram per liter. So saline moisture must be prevented from the reaching to the roots and of the vegetation. Similarly, it is important that the irrigation has a minimal salt content which is the saline water and it should be greater less than the zero point 0.5 gram per liter. Uh, for the vegetation and the survival, it is essential that the barrier between the saline ground and the clean ground, that is the barrier also uh, provides the good drainage and the complete capillary system. So this is the Posy break salt barriers. Also, this is the name, and this is the technical data for this material, and where the physical properties and the chemical properties and the benefits are included, and it should be followed according to the engineering instruction and the design criteria, and whatsoever the installation recommendation, which is the method statement. So the benefits of this one is to observe the moisture and the positively charged side the water molecules and attracts the negative charge chloride and to the negativity charge sides of the water molecules where it is at the positive charge sodium ion. Essentially, the tug of the water ensure that the water molecules are treated according to the water barrier system. So this was the briefing about the salt barrier material which is using in the irrigation to avoid the economic of the project steps also, and also eco-friendly, and as well as the cost control also, and easy installation. So all the recommendation, it should be according to the manufacturer's recommendations and for the installation. So this was the briefing about this salt barrier. In next video, we will see each other with another subject. So thank you very much and have a nice day.